Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Rewrite the Narrative with a Twist. My top 5 Jamaican stereotype. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stereotype number 1. All Jamaican men have enough children. Them lie and then give beer bun. Them say Jamaican men have a bad relationship with the truth. Stereotype number 2. All Jamaicans smoke weed, drink red stripe, relax on the beach, and drink jelly. I don't know about that. Stereotype number 3. All Jamaican either come from Kingston, Montego Bay, or Ocho Rios. I swear, I wonder if any other parish in a Jamaica is always. Are you from Kingston? Stereotype number 4. All Jamaicans know how to jerk chicken. Some of them can't. Stereotype number 5. All Jamaicans have 2 or 3 jobs and a side job. Something about that might be true. And here are some honorary mentions. Other stereotypes include all Jamaican know how to dance. Jamaican women are good in bed. Jamaican women are always angry. All Jamaican can run fast. Or Jamaican poor. Let me know if you hear about any other stereotype. Drop a comment, like, share, rewrite the narrative.